Next is, here are the things that you should know in financial market. The first one is most traders fail in the long run. Like, I'm not joking. 9 out of 10 people fail in the long run. Kumbaga 90% of traders fail in the long run. Why? Well, simply because they don't have a proper plan, a discipline, a commitment on what they do, right? Kumbaga, they are very prideful, or they are their ego is too high that they cannot accept some things that the market offers, right? And one of it is losing money. One of the things na nakakaapekto why traders fail is because they don't accept the risk of losing money, or they don't accept na trading is also like a business, in a sense na you will incur, or you will have to take some losses, you have to accept some losses because the market is uncertain. There are no guarantee, or there is no guarantee na mananalo tayo palagi in our trades or in our investment. That's also where risk management comes in, right? So ngayon, if you still want to be, or if you still want to be in this profession, then you have to accept that in this space you will lose money, right? You have to accept that. Otherwise, it would be hard for you to be in this space. Okay? And third is, trading is not a get rich quick scheme. Since we are basing in a probability of our trades, and there are no guarantees na mananalo tayo palagi, and that we will lose money, then we have to understand na we have to protect our capital. We have to be defensive while being offensive. Kumbaga, we have to defend ourselves while attacking enemy, right? Kasi nga, hindi to basta-bastang sugal lang, right? There are risk management, there are analysis that you have to understand and you have to apply, and it makes it a hard profession, right? So ngayon, if you want a get rich quick scheme, then why not go to a casino, right? Or just gamble everything. Kasi as far as I know, even casinos have their, you know, they can also based on probability, right? So in this case, trading is not a get rich quick scheme because it will take some time. It will take you a lot of time to understand and to profit out of this space. And there's no such thing as flipping your money from $1 to $100,000 or probably a million, because it takes some time and hindi siya ganun kadali, right? And then next is, kagaya ng sabi natin sa greater fool theory, there are both losers and winners in the market. Kasi nga, ang ginagawa natin dito sa financial market is somehow we are taking each other's money, right? So, ang nangyayari is, merong panalo at merong talo. And without losers, there won't be winners. And without winners, there won't be any losers. Vice versa. Okay? And lastly is, I cannot guarantee your profitability. Why? Right now, yes, I am teaching you, and I will be teaching you some analysis, risk management techniques, but it doesn't really mean na magiging profitable ka. Why? Because I can only do so much as to guide you on what are the things that you should do and what are the things that you shouldn't or you should never do, or the things that you have to avoid. Because after all, at the end of the day, ikaw pa rin ang magte-trade para sa sarili mo, right? Okay, I can only teach you how to analyze the market, how to interpret the data, but after everything that I've taught you, or I will be teaching you, it all comes down to you. Kasi nga, you have to, or we have, each of us have their own capability or ability to interpret the market or to find setups, to manage risks, right? So, there is no guarantee na just because tinuruan kita doesn't mean na magiging profitable ka, right? I can only be an instrument to teach you kung paano gamitin itong tools na to, itong strategies na to, itong setup na to, or how do we create a trading plan, how do we interpret the data, how do we analyze. And at the end of the day, it's all on you pa rin, right? All it will all comes down to your habits, your ways, your preferences, right? And that's one thing that you should remember.